Welcome, travelers. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey to the heart of Thailand, Bangkok. Bangkok, a city that never sleeps, where the hustle and bustle is as vibrant as its rich culture. It's a destination that's high on every globetrotter's wish list, and why wouldn't it be? Bangkok is a city that seamlessly marries the old with the new. The timeless temples and grand palaces stand in stark contrast to the towering skyscrapers and modern cityscape. It's a place where you can stroll through bustling street markets, by day, haggling for the best bargains, and by night, you can immerse yourself in the city's electric nightlife. And let's not forget about the food. The diverse food scene in Bangkok is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be explored. From the delectable street food that has made Bangkok famous to the fine dining experiences, there's something here to tantalize every palate. So, are you ready to explore Bangkok? Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks. Timing is crucial when planning a trip to Bangkok. The city, known for its vibrant street life and cultural landmarks, offers a unique experience that varies throughout the year. However, if you're looking for the perfect blend of pleasant weather and manageable tourist crowds, then the period between November and February is your best bet. During these months, Bangkok's weather is at its most agreeable. The scorching heat of the summer gives way to cooler temperatures, and the monsoon rains take a break, making it an ideal time for outdoor explorations. Whether you're roaming the bustling markets, visiting the grandeur of the royal palace, or cruising the Chao Phraya River, the cool and dry climate adds a comfortable touch to your adventures. Moreover, this period is considered the tourist high season. While this means a bit more crowd, it also signifies a lively atmosphere with bustling night markets, vibrant festivals, and a city in full swing. Plus, the holiday season in December brings about a festive cheer that's hard to resist. But remember, no matter when you decide to visit, Bangkok's charm is year-round. It's a city that never sleeps and always has something to offer. So, pack your bags during these months for an enjoyable visit. Finding the perfect place to stay is key to a great travel experience. Bangkok, a city that never sleeps, offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit all types of travelers. For those on a tight budget, there are plenty of affordable hostels offering comfort without breaking the bank. If you're after a bit of luxury, Bangkok has got you covered with a selection of top-tier hotels that promise opulence and unparalleled service. But remember, choosing the right location is just as important as the accommodation itself. Popular areas to consider include Sukhumvit, known for its lively nightlife and shopping scene. Khao San Road, a haven for backpackers, offers affordable accommodation and a vibrant street life. Alternatively, Siloam, Bangkok's financial district, offers a mix of budget and luxury stays, coupled with a bustling night market. Each area has its own unique charm and attractions, so take your time to choose a location that suits your travel style and budget. After all, the right accommodation can make your trip to Bangkok truly unforgettable. Choose a location that suits your travel style and budget. Navigating through Bangkok is an adventure in itself. From zooming above the city on the BTS SkyTrain to weaving through traffic in a taxi, getting around this bustling metropolis is an experience to remember. But let's not forget the iconic tuk-tuks. These three-wheeled wonders are as much a symbol of Bangkok as its grand temples and vibrant markets. However, a word to the wise, while tuk-tuks offer an exhilarating ride, they can also be a common tourist trap. Some drivers might quote inflated prices, especially to first-time visitors. So here's a tip. Always negotiate your fare before hopping on. A good rule of thumb is to aim for around half of the first price quoted. Remember, a little haggling is all part of the Bangkok experience. Whether you're zipping across town on the SkyTrain, cruising in a taxi, or feeling the wind in your hair aboard a tuk-tuk, each journey tells a story of Bangkok's dynamic spirit. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Remember, always negotiate your fare before hopping onto a tuk-tuk. Bangkok is a food lover's paradise, but remember, safety first. The city's rich street food scene is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. From the tantalizing aroma of sizzling skewers to the vibrant colors of tropical fruit stands, there's a world of flavors to discover. However, it's important to be mindful of food safety. As a rule of thumb, choose stalls that are busy with locals. They know where the best and safest food is. Also opt for food that's cooked to order, as it's less likely to have been sitting around in the heat. When it comes to trying local delicacies, go for it. But be cautious about raw or undercooked food. If you're uncertain, choose dishes that are thoroughly cooked and served hot. Lastly, watch out for ice in your drinks. Make sure it's from a reliable source and not just frozen tap water. So dive into the gastronomic journey that Bangkok offers. Enjoy the culinary delights, but stay safe. Now that you're equipped with all the essential information, it's time to explore. Bangkok is a city that never sleeps, bursting with life at every corner. From the bustling street markets to the serene temples, it truly has something for everyone. Take a stroll through the popular Chatuchak Weekend Market, a shopping paradise where you can find everything from fashion and furniture to food. Don't miss out on the vibrant nightlife at Khao San Road, a hub for backpackers and partygoers. For a taste of culture, the Grand Palace and Wat Prakai are must-visit sites, showcasing stunning architecture and intricate artwork. And for a break from the city's hustle, explore the peaceful Lumpini Park, which offers a tranquil escape in the heart of Bangkok. But remember, the city is vast and diverse, so don't limit yourself to tourist-heavy areas. Venture off the beaten path and discover hidden gems that aren't on every travel guide. Be wary, though, of misleading guided tours that can overcharge or lead you astray. Do your research, trust your instincts, and embrace the adventure. With these tips, you're ready to make the most of your Bangkok adventure. That wraps up our essential guide for first-time visitors to Bangkok. We've covered everything you need to know, from the best time to visit to the various accommodation options available. We've also provided tips on getting around the city, ensuring you can navigate Bangkok with ease. Remember, your safety is paramount, and that extends to the food you eat. We've offered guidance on street food safety, helping you to enjoy the culinary delights without worry. And of course, we've delved into the exciting exploration of Bangkok, steering you clear of common tourist traps and towards the unique experiences this city has to offer. Now it's your turn to embark on this incredible journey. Are you ready to travel to Bangkok? If you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share your first-time experiences in Bangkok in the comments below.